Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make use of the float indicator for MT4 and MT5, although I'm going to be focusing on the MT4 version in this video, okay? However, even if you want to download the MT5 version, just kindly look for the link in the description below. Now, after you've downloaded the indicator, head over to your indicators folder for MT4 or for MT5 as the case may be, and you paste the indicator file in there, after which you should return to your navigator and refresh. All right. Then after refreshing, just look for the float indicator. If you can't find it, you just might have to restart your terminal. All right. Drag and drop to your chart. Ensure that the allow DLL imports box is checked. And as for your input, you can see we have the float value set at 50, the SH set at 1. These are the default values. All right. Now, this indicator is designed to help you track dynamic price movement and uncover shifting market conditions with clarity. Okay, so you will notice that the indicator presents some valuable information on your chart. You will notice that when the trend is increasing, or rather when the momentum of the trend is increasing, you will notice that the lines will also be increasing. For example, here we had a bullish move, right? And as the trend was progressing, you notice that the lines were increasing, okay? Even in the case of a sell move, the lines were increasing as the trend was progressing. So it doesn't matter whether it's a buy trend or a sell trend. As the trend progresses, you'll notice the consistent increase in the length of these lines, right? So at least if you are in a buy trade, you can have the confidence to, keep your position opened, as the lines increase in length. And in the same vein, if you are in a sell trade, so long as you see these lines increasing in length, you might have the confidence to, maintain your sell position. Okay, and then you can also see the other information being displayed. The high was 21 bars ago, the low was 42 bars ago, float time was 21 bars, right? So it also shows you this important information. If you're the kind of trader that values such information, then you might want to consider adding the float indicator to your trading toolkit. Okay, if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, maybe this will be a good time to do that. Don't forget to turn on your notifications as well, so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.